Hello everyone, I'm happy to be with you today. It's so nice to be back. So today we are going to be making Korean fried rice. But please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel. We love to hear from you, give feedback, and that would be great. I love to share all this wonderful recipe with all of you there. So today, the first thing you do when you want to make Korean fried rice is to decide what kind of rice you like to use. Well, I like parboiled rice. So in here, I have 5 cups of parboiled rice. And I will be using my Saladmaster MP5. This is an automatic rice cooker. So all you need, because the rice is more than 3 cups, so I press rice 2. If you have 3 cups or less, you press rice 1, and that's all you need to do. So with my Saladmaster, so I have 5 cups of rice. I will wash it. Then with my 5 cups of rice, I will add 6 cups of water. So you let that, you put that in your Saladmaster MP5 rice cooker, and that's all you need to do with that. So now my rice is cooking in my rice cooker. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to fry some eggs and put it aside. And for the amount of rice I'm making today, which is 5 cups of rice, I have 6 eggs. So I'm going to fry that egg using my Saladmaster pan. So I'm using 6 eggs. If your family likes lots of eggs, you can add more than 6. The egg is just to garnish the fried rice. Korean people always put eggs in their fried rice. So now I'll turn on the stove, and here I have my cooking spray oil. So I just put a little bit. So I have a little bit of 1/4 salt and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic cloves. So just put that in and mix the egg together. So now what I'm doing is I'm just pan frying the egg. Just put your egg in. Medium heat. Whenever you are cooking with Saladmaster cookware, you always start with medium heat. And then while I'm waiting for the egg, I will introduce to you the other ingredients I will be using for the fried rice. So in here I have 2 cups of shredded carrots, about 2.5 cups of cabbage, 1.5 peas, and in here I have 1 cup of green onions, and here I have 1 cup of snow peas, and 1 cup of sliced red onions. And with the Korean fried rice, you can use any kind of meat you like. Most Korean will use roasted pork, but we preferred, in my family, we preferred white meat. So I'm using roasted turkey is what we are using. So I've already sliced it and it's ready to go. And I have 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger. And with Korean fried rice, you always use 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons, it depends on what you want, but I have 1 tablespoon of chili paste. And also I have my soy sauce, like 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. So the egg is almost done. Okay, now the next thing we are doing to proceed with the Korean fried rice is to put all these beautiful ingredients together. I want to stir fry. Okay, now I want to introduce to you my Saladmaster 7-quart wok pot. It's an amazing pot. It's beautiful and it's big. So the the first thing I put inside the pan is my 4 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. Pour that in. Then I have my garlic and then ginger. So you put that in. And in here I have my oven roasted turkey. So you put that in as well. And I have another 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. You can use any other kind of oil. So I'm adding this to it as well. So now I let this kind of fry for a little bit while I'm stirring it all together. In the pot I have my ginger, garlic and the meat. For about 2 minutes now I'm going to add my 1 cup red onion, just medium onion. Now I'm adding the snow peas to it. So all I'm doing now is just frying the vegetables. Smelling really nice. And then at this point I'm going to add my soy sauce. And I'm also going to add my Korean chili paste. Okay, mix it together. And then add your 1.5 cup of peas to it. You can at this point also add your shredded cabbage. And the last one is the carrots. So just keep mixing it all together. Smelling good, looks nice. At this point you can add your green onion or you leave it to the last. This is the veggie stir fried with the meat for the fried rice. So with Korean fried rice, if you notice, we have quite a bit of veggie, about 5 different vegetables in here. And that's what makes it very unique and it's very, very healthy. So I've let this stir fry for about 6 minutes now. So I'm ready to add my rice to it. So now I have all my rice in here. So the next thing you do is to keep mixing it together. Make sure the heat is really low. And you keep mixing your rice. But at this point, if you feel like, oh, I want to add a little bit of soy sauce or a little bit of oil, sesame oil, you can do so. But right now, I'm happy with the way it's looking. It smells really good. It smells great. So just keep mixing it. Mix it all thoroughly together. And remember, you still have the heat going on. So the veggie is mixing thoroughly with the rice. So there's no any white rice right now. And when you feel like it's all good and nice, all well mixed, then at that point you add your egg and green leaf onion. You add it to it to garnish the rice. So that's what we're going to do next. Add that to it, to the top. Make it nice and beautiful. Just put that on top. So now you can mix it together. And this is your Korean fried rice. It's beautiful. I wish you are here to come and taste it. So I'm going to scoop some on my plate so that you can see how beautiful it is. I wish you are here to come and have dinner with us. Thank you for joining me today, and please don't forget to come back and like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now and see you soon.